that you don't need me. My love is water under the bridge. Woo! Yes!
Your destination is on the left.
My love is water under the bridge. Oh, oh, oh. If you're gonna let me down easy. Don't pretend that you don't need me. My love is water under the bridge. Don't pretend that you don't need me. My love is water under the bridge. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa, oh. It's crowded. Hey, who's the boss baby? Okay. Yeah. I know. What? Vacation time. Vacation. Chick. Ow. Hey, boo. I know. Let's see this view. Yeah. Oh, we could have parked here. We gotta go outside. Ooh, honey. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, Versace, Versace, Versace. Guess where we're going? Oh my goodness, it's so hey. Woo! It's National Dunkin' Day. Yay! We got free coffee for a year. Look at the Dunkin' Donuts. We out here early. A little. Okay, there we go. Here we go to the water to see our mama ocean. Mama ocean. Yes. Look how beautiful. Oh, she's canoeing. You can't get her. Oh, look at the boats. Yes, hunty. Yes. Hope I'm not stepping in the duty. Stepping in the duty to the booty. Okay, so since I didn't do the unboxing, this is what the stroller looks like. I'm just gonna do like a little turnaround, and you could just thing it like this. Also, if you thing the back, if you like press the little thing back here, you pull it up, it could either go back so the baby could like lay down, right, like a baby, or they could, you push this down, or they could basically, you pull it up and they could sit up. So you could push them around, see? How cute is that? And this is like so cheap. Like, this was so cheap. I'm gonna put it up because I forgot right now, but I'll put it, how much it was. And you just like hook it right here, like pull it. I'm trying to do it with one hand, but you like pull it and it just comes off. See? So here's the bottom. Like, that's the part the baby would be in. This is, of course, the seat belts. And then to close it, you pull this, pull it up, you hear it? You pull it up, you pull this up, pull both of them, but you know, and then you would just close it. So I'm gonna try to do it with one, so like that. So I'm only doing it with one hand, but you know, it closes. Okay, so it just comes off, and then I press these two things back, pull it up, and it just closes. And there you go. Okay, that's it. Look at this tree. It's like the tree of life. Look how gorgeous. Oh, look at the sunset behind. Yeah. Look at the fireflies. Over.
This is delicious.
Supermarket.
Yes, yes, supermarket. You did the best. Oh, this the rain is so hard though.
I know.
I said go to supermarkets, and I felt it.
Whoa.
You want to get stunk?
crazy, no? Ooh, look at it.
Oh, never did it.
Pouring rain and I'm grounding myself and collecting some rainwater so that I can clean the house. Yes, honey. It is Saturday and look at that. You see that? Collecting that rainwater. Alright guys, namaste.